How to play Sonic Rumble offline. First of all, open the game on your device. It's important to note that the game requires an active server connection to play, so you cannot play the game fully offline. Every time you open the game, it needs to connect to the servers to load event, races, characters, and rewards. Without an internet connection, the game will not allow access to any features including races, missions, and events. If your connection is lost, a retry button will appear on the screen. Tap it after reconnecting to the internet to try loading the game again. This ensures you can get back into the game without restarting your device or losing progress. Make sure your device is connected to a stable internet connection, either through Wi-Fi or mobile data. Once connected, you can enjoy all the game's features, including races, challenges, character upgrades, and events. If you are experiencing issues with connectivity, try restarting your internet connection or switching between Wi-Fi and mobile data to ensure a stable server connection. Maintaining a proper connection is essential for smooth gameplay and to avoid losing progress. Now you know that you cannot play Sonic Rumble offline and why a server connection is necessary. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more gaming tips. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.